Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Mr. Crypto Tracker is here. I'm going to give you some idea about the next move in BTC and a few other charts. So in weekly time frame, we talked about the support area in our previous videos, and so far we can see a nice bounce in BTC. And the next resistance is actually the first resistance in weekly time frame is from $30,000 area to 32,000, almost $500 area. So let's go to the lower time frames, to daily time frames. In daily time frames, we can see a series of higher lows. This pattern is bullish pattern. So, and also over the last 2 days, we experienced a very nice retracement, and then it starts bouncing again from this support area. I believe I talked about this support area before. I think I talked about this area as a support, and we can see a nice bounce here. And right now the price is at a very important level. If we go to very lower time frames like 1 hour, I saw this pattern here. Here we can see this candle. If I continue this area, we can see the price is right at a local resistance, and so far it shows some sort of sign of weakness here. And if it cannot break this resistance and stay above it for a few, like 4 hours candles, then we can say it was a fake breakout or a bull trap, and we can see the downtrend like this. But so far, we are right below this resistance area. It would be good to take a few scalp trades. If you're scalpers, you can go to lower time frames, and in lower time frames, so far you can see a few huge rejections so far, and also here the price forms a lower high, and basically it's a sign of weakness. And if the price cannot reclaim this area, if it cannot close above this blue line, for sure we can see some retracement in the market. And the first important support, in my view, the first important support would be around this area. That was the previous resistance. So this is for Bitcoin and what I see in the Bitcoin chart. So let's take a look at a few other coins to see what's going on in those charts. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum. More or less all the charts shows us the same pattern as Bitcoin, but Ethereum is a little bit different. And here in daily time frames, I think this would be a local resistance, and so far the price is right below this resistance area. And if we go to lower time frames, you can see within more than 1 hour, this 4 hour candle will close, and so far it's like it's like a very good sign of a reversal here. I believe if these candles close with this shape, then we can say this is a some sort of reversal pattern, and we can expect some retracement here. And if that retracement happens, I think the first area would be this area. If you are going to short it and it plays out well, then you can take profit here. Let's go to 1 hour time frame to see what's going on in lower time frames. Let me delete this. Yeah, in lower time frames, we can see it get rejected so far from here, and yep. So if if it cannot break this resistance and stay above it, then we can expect to see some retracement here. And I believe it's very difficult for the market to see higher prices from here, but no one can say anything for sure. And this is only my thinking, and maybe I'm wrong, but I just feel with regards to the macroeconomics data that published in the last 2 days, it's difficult for the market to go and see higher prices. And the last chart I'm going to talk about is ETH Cardano. But before I talk about Cardano, if this is the first time you're in my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Then you will be notified for my future videos. So here is the Cardano chart. This is my favorite project, and I constantly invest on this project. You can see a nice bounce so far from the support area, and the next resistance is here around 72 cents to almost 90 cents. But if we go to lower time frames, let's take a look at the lower time frames. Let me delete this. Yeah, the lower time frames, it shows a nice bounce from this support after some retracement, but still it is at a local resistance here. You can see it get rejected once here, and this is the second time. And let's go to lower time frames to see what's going on in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, I believe this area would be an important resistance, important local resistance to watch, like this area. Let me change the color to red. So this is a resistance for us. And if we want to talk about a few scalp trades here, then yeah, you can see these two candles. It shows the momentum to the upside going to get weaker and weaker. And again, for Cardano, if it can break this resistance, stay above it for a few 4-hour candle, then we can see higher prices. And if it cannot break this resistance and get rejected and make a higher low, lower high, then you can expect to see a reversal pattern here and going down to the support, to the lower support areas. So this is it for today. Please make sure to watch the previous technical analysis I published. Still, some of them are valid. And also, please share this video with your friends on your social medias, especially on your Twitter, and let them know about this view. Different views would be good to know about, and maybe you can learn something from different people and different views. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos.